Hi, welcome to the demo video by RouteMagic. Companies that have suppliers of their various products raise purchase orders to them. On RouteMagic, one can create purchase orders from here under the Inventory Management tab. The list display shows the order number, when it is scheduled for, the supplier, the total, and the status of the order. Click on Add to create a new purchase order. Choose the supplier name, payment type of this order. In case you work on credit with your supplier, then you can also define the credit type from here. Select the warehouse from the drop-down list. For this purchase order, you can set the priority of the order from the drop-down, along with giving its scheduled date, time and due date, max by which date you would like to receive the order. Now in this section, you will add the products that need to be ordered. Once the product is selected, the system will also show you its current stock to give an idea how much more needs to be added. The system will then automatically populate the prices and calculate the total. You can upload the order documents here, if any. Save all this information now. Now, depending on your company setting, the status of the purchase order will reflect as pending or will be moved directly to approved. Once you select any purchase order which is in pending state, system will allow you to edit, cancel or approve the selected purchase order. Once approved, the purchase order will move to the approved state, and system will allow you here to either cancel or request inventory option. Clicking on Request Inventory will trigger an email notification to the supplier if the setting is enabled. Once you request inventory, status of purchase order will move to the requested inventory. Still, system will allow you to cancel purchase order. In the details screen of the selected purchase order, you can see awaited inventory. Next we will go to Receive Adjust Inventory. The display list will show you all the incoming date and time of inventory receipts, along with its destination warehouse and purchase order number. To record the receipt goods, click on the Add button. Select the purchase order number from the drop-down, and rest of these details will be auto-populated as per that. In the Items section, you can input how much quantity was received along with its condition, good or bad. Once inventory received, selected purchase order will move to delivered state. Similarly, you can also make entries for partially received items as well. If received quantity is less than purchase quantity during update on ERP, you will be able to mention the mismatch reason here. Internal notes on the purchase order will show details about a mismatch reason. Once items are received, you can generate a purchase invoice from the purchase order by clicking on Add Purchase Invoice. First, in the Delivered Items section, you will see the Invoiced column, which reflects previously invoiced quantity. Invoiced quantity is blank until selected. Once selected, it auto-populates with Delivered minus Invoiced quantity. It includes a Select All option and to overtype the quantity which is necessary, as may be multiple deliveries against purchase order, and invoice may only cover one invoice. Here it shows total amounts summed for goods and VAT. You can also provide an invoice number and select the invoice date from here. After that, click on Create Purchase Invoice. The created invoice will reflect on the purchase invoice screen, from where you can view payments due to your suppliers.